It's so cute. That birdie. I want that birdie, everyone. Please get me this bird. Help me. It's so cute. That bird, so cute. I want this birdie. Okay. More birdie right there. So cute. All this birdie. Let's go to the other side and see the other birdie. Right here. There's more birdie right here, everyone. And the only one bird here by himself. So cute, all of this. I'm gonna miss them every day and always. And the snake is hiding right there, if you can see it. You cannot actually see it. It's too dark. Don't forget to like and subscribe.